Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 60. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this new Lipsense combination of lipstick application, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I thought I would hop on and do a Lipsense lipstick application using two different colors of Lipsense to make one lipstick. So the cool thing about Lipsense is you can mix them, you can layer them, you can just do one by itself, and yeah. So I'm going to be using two of the new, one is new to me and I tried it out, but they are returning colors and they are in the permanent line, so that means they'll never run out, hopefully, ever. So I will put a link down below in the description box so that you can shop this look of Lipsense that I'm going to be doing. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to a second page where it says my distributor's name at the top. It's totally fine. Scroll down to shop now. Third page, it comes up with all these bubbles: skincare, hair care, eyes, lips. You want to click on lips, and these two are $25. So they're Amber Spice and Milk Rose Lipsense. And then you want to add a glossy gloss because that seals all of the Lipsense in, and that's what makes your Lipsense last all day. Then you add these three things plus an oops remover that takes off your Lipsense, or if you mess up, don't worry about it. That's what oops remover is. So you add a gloss. Gloss is a must, because if you don't have the glossy gloss, it's going to be all tacky and just messy. It won't last. So you add all of those four things to your cart. Then you go to the checkout page. Right before you go to checkout, there is a little box that you click on, preferred kiss and tell customer. And if you click that, you get 10% off all your purchases all year round. If you spend $100, you get free shipping, samples, and your products. If you spend $150, you get free shipping, samples, your products, and a gift. We don't know what that is, just like you. So I am going to start. If you've been around, you know about Lipsense. Lipsense is a liquid lip color equal up to three tubes, or 3 or 4 tubes. I think it's 3 tubes. Yeah, pretty sure. Because some people say 3 tubes and I've heard 4, but I don't know if that's right or not, so don't quote me on it. It's 3. 3 tubes of regular store-bought lipstick. It is a liquid lip color that is kiss-proof, smudge-proof, water-resistant. It's vegan-free, cruelty-free. It's not tested on any animals. Doesn't have any wax. Doesn't have any lead. It's not tested on any animals. Doesn't have any animal products in it. It is amazing. It is gluten-free and made in the U.S. Nowhere else. So here I go. Before I apply the Lipsense, I get a wet rag and I wipe off all of the food and makeup from this morning. Excuse me, I can't even talk. Because you don't want to get any of that in your Lipsense. when you're applying it because it'll just crack and just be all messy, and yeah, it won't work. So when you apply it, you want to go in the same direction that you first apply it. You apply 3 thin layers. Your lips cannot touch. So I'm going to be talking funny, but I'm also going to be finishing up this eyeshadow makeup look. I did some different stuff and I don't like it, but I'm just staying around home. So before you apply it, you want to make sure that the tubes are well shook. So I'm shaking both of them at the same time. You want to shake them up, and that noise is actually a bead that is mixing up, or a ball that is mixing up your color. And you want to shake it every single time. It doesn't matter if it's the first time or the 20th time. You want to shake it up. So I'm shaking the wrong color first. So I'm going to do Milk Rose first. I tried this one yesterday for the first time, and I did it on camera. So after this video, you might want to check that out. And you want to make sure that you wipe off all the excess before you apply each layer. So here's layer 1. I'm going to go in the same direction. I love, this is a matte color. Okay. And there's layer 1. It's not gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna let that dry and do the Slash waterproof mascara. And we have Lipsense that is matte. We have Lipsense that is shimmery and frosty, like has glitter, shimmery. So yeah. Okay, there's layer 1. You can do up to 3 layers of mascara. So, and this one has like a shimmer to it, I think. So you want to make sure it's dry to the touch and not tacky. So here's layer 2. So 2 layers of Milk Rose. And you can go in between as the layers are drying and mix them. Okay, there's layer 2. Now I'm gonna shake Amber Spice. Okay, Now I'm going to apply mascara. Second layer. Okay, the hair goes. Okay, now dry to the touch. Some Lipsenses take longer, so Amber Slice, here we go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it again. I haven't used this color in such a long time. And I'm glad it came back. See how it's like kind of shimmery? It went from a matte to a shimmer. Do it again. Do it again. It's a little bit darker, but it has some shimmer in it. So, layer 3, last layer, and I'm going to use another layer of, gotta fix it right there. Mix it all up. Okay, that is layer. So while that's drying, I'm gonna do an extra coat of this mascara. Look at that mascara. Okay, still a little bit tacky, so I'm gonna wait. Oh, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I'm gonna do rustic brown. Shadow Sense. Don't you just love it when one eyebrow is different than the other? Oh well. It's not nothing too bad. I'll fix it when it's dry. Okay, now I'm going to add the gloss and to seal it in. This is old stuff on there, so And if your lips still feel tacky, you can add a little bit more. Okay. And there it is. Super pretty with this eye look that I have done. You want to rub your lips together to seal it in. There's nothing on my hand. Like, it's magic. And I'd rather wear my Lipsense, like apply my lipstick once and not have to keep reapplying and touching it up throughout the day. I don't know about you. If you prefer that, that is just your preference, but that is not mine. So I am going to come finish up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result, and I'm in more natural lighting, but this is how the combination of the milk rose and amber spice turned out. It is amazing, especially with this eye look. I was supposed to just do a one and done look, but I'm so glad that I did it. I actually did candlelight all over as my base. Then I used iced coffee shimmer, which is low in stock, and then I used sapphire shimmer on the bottom part of my lid, and then I used iced coffee over that, and then I put more sapphire shimmer, and then I put iced coffee in the corner, and then I used snow. It is perfect, so pretty. I am so in love with it, and it's so simple. It is smudge proof, waterproof, crease proof, anti-aging, so much goodness. But I would wear this as an everyday lip. If you have any questions, comment down below or send me a message over on my Instagram account at redesign16. You can follow me there. There's a link in my YouTube about page where you can click on the link and find me there. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.